A piece of relief filled good news for Indian doctors, physicians, as well as patients, as India's first indigenously developed antibiotic will be a game changer against deadly drug resistant bacteria. Nafithromycin is said to be 10 times better than the currently existing azithromycin in treating antimicrobial resistant disease like community acquired bacterial pneumonia. While all this medical talk might be difficult to comprehend, let me break it down in a more generalized manner for you to realize how much important this is for us as Indians. Developed by Mumbai-based Wockhardt Limited and the Biotechnology Industrial Research Assistant Council under the guidance of the Central Department of Biotechnology, nafithromycin will be marketed under the brand name of Micnaf. Now, why is this a game changer? A bacteria, like a virus, often keeps evolving itself. We have seen this during the COVID-19 pandemic, where the virus kept mutating into different variants, adapting itself. Similarly, as a bacteria also keeps evolving, they stop responding to the existing antibiotics and develop resistance to them. This condition is called antimicrobial resistance, or AMR. Now, this is a game changer as many people die from AMR diseases as there are no medicines left that will work, especially in Streptococcus pneumonia. What makes it unique is its ability to target both typical and atypical bacteria, doesn't interact with major drugs, and has minimal side effects. You might ask who can benefit from this drug. Immunocompromised patients like people on cancer treatment, recovering from kidney transplants, infected with Streptococcus pneumonia, having AMR, lower lung infections, tuberculosis, or urinary tract infections. This drug is said to be a game changer as CAPP disease is responsible for more than 2 million deaths annually, of which India has a significant number. With an investment of over 500 crore rupees, this drug has been developed over the years and has gone through extensive clinical trials in India, the US, and Europe for over 14 years. A moment of pride is also that this is the first antibiotic of its class developed over the globe in over 3 decades. Nafithromycin is the epitome of how public and private collaborations can save millions of lives.